Hi, welcome back to Tom's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make authentic buffalo style hot wings. There are a lot of different ways of making hot wings. Today I'm going to show you the right way. So the first thing you want to do is make your sauce and have that ready. Now there are lots of different hot wing sauces you can make or you can buy. I'm going to show you just plain old traditional buffalo hot wing style sauce. You want to start by melting some butter. Some people don't use any butter, but this is supposed to be the authentic original buffalo wing sauce. And then you're going to add to your melted butter some Louisiana style cayenne pepper hot sauce. Kind of a hot and sour taste. There are a lot of different brands of this. This is just a cheap generic Louisiana style hot sauce from you-know-who mart. Okay, my butter is more or less melted. You want to be careful not to scorch the butter. That will affect the taste of the sauce. And so I have the stove off, and I'm going to add the hot sauce. Now the ratio of hot sauce to butter will determine just exactly how spicy your sauce is. Make your sauce to taste. This is genuine, authentic, certified, traditional buffalo hot wing sauce. Melted butter, some brand of Louisiana style cayenne pepper sauce. That's it. Now, I've got my sauce already made, so I don't have to rush around and do that. Now I need to cook the wings. You can deep fry them, you can grill them in a hot air fryer. I'm going to cook these in a hot air fryer for a lot of reasons. Number one, it makes a lot less mess. Number two, I think it does a better job of frying foods. Number three, I think you taste the food better if it's not coated in a lot of oil. Now, if you're lazy like I am, you can buy your wings already cut into sections. Basically, you have flats and drummies, called drummies because they look like little miniature drumsticks. Some people prefer flats, some people prefer drummies, some people don't have a preference. Personally, I prefer the flats because they're clearly superior to the drummies. Remember, in a hot air fryer, it's the air that does the cooking. So you want to leave plenty of space around each piece so the air flows freely and cooks each piece evenly. You don't want to have a situation where you're piling the pieces on top of each other and the air can't circulate and you have soggy spots on your wings. I like my wings crispy, so these are going in the hot air fryer for 27 minutes at 400 degrees. If you're going to cook these in hot oil, you're probably looking at 360 degrees for maybe 17 minutes for very crispy wings. Okay, the wings are done. You can probably hear them sizzle just a little bit. They're nice, crispy, golden brown. Now we want to dunk them in the sauce. Break these loose. Again, this was 27 minutes at 400 degrees in a hot air fryer. These will be hot to the touch, so you may want to use tongs. You might want to get someone else to do it. Now you can put these in a Tupperware container and shake them around. I think that makes an unnecessary amount of mess, personally. Get these on the plate, coated nicely with sauce. One advantage of the hot air fryer is you could put these back in the hot air fryer for a minute or two after they're coated in sauce. That makes a nice flavor you can try sometime. I've got blue cheese dressing, brand name chunky blue cheese dressing. Now some people like little celery sticks on the side of their hot wings. I don't. So let's take one of these and sort of dunk it in the blue cheese dressing. Take a taste here. That's hot, that's crispy, that's spicy, that's sour, tangy, a little creamy blue cheese. And that's how you make buffalo style hot wings.